Hello, welcome to this video on Bitcoin trading strategies. It's the 15th of January and on today's video I'm talking about the strategy of either buying and holding your cryptocurrency, or you can do what's called scalping, where you buy when it's low. For example, you could buy down here when it's low, and then you can sell when it is high. So which one's best? Which one of those strategies is going to make you the most money? Now, if we look, I'm currently on Ethereum and Euro pair, but this works for any cryptocurrency really. So you can see that over the past, since November the 23rd here, the value of Ethereum to the euro has just gone up and up. It's exactly the same with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well. So if you'd bought here and you'd waited all this time, which is half a month basically, then you've got an increase. It's gone from 318 euros to 1,121 euros up here. It's gone down a bit recently today. So you would have made a good profit during this time. I've not got the percentage, but it's a pretty good increase. However, if you was to buy today, let's look at the 1 hour graph. If you'd have bought today, say up here, the value has gone down. So the other strategy is what's called scalping, where you look at the chart, you wait for it to come down when you expect it to go up again, and you buy when it's low and you sell when it's high. So over this time, we could have bought when it's here, for example. We could have sold when it's up here again. We could have bought when it's down here again, sold when it's here, and bought back again when it's down here. Now if you was to do that, let's look at the prices. 1,079 at a low point, up to 1,174 at a high point. If you owned an entire Ethereum, in this example, it's gone from 1,076 to 1,179. That's over a €100 increase. So if you bought there and sold there, you could have made €100. Then bought in again when it's down here, 1,081. Maybe sold some when it's up here, 1,139. You could have taken some profits there and then bought in again down here. So over the short term, scalping is a better way to make more money with cryptocurrency than just holding and waiting. But definitely holding and waiting crypto coins such as especially Bitcoin, which is the biggest one, and Ethereum, which is the second largest, according to CoinMarketCap, these are definitely, in my opinion, coins that are going to increase in value over the long run. But you can also use scalping to make money on a daily basis. All you need to do is analyze the current chart, 1 hour chart, or we can even look at the 15-minute graph, because as you zoom in using the time, you'll notice there's more and more fluctuations in the price. So we know that this point here is a low point, 1,076 at the moment for Ethereum to euros, and we've got a high point up here of 1,144. So you can repeatedly buy when it's low and sell when it's high, but you do need to keep checking because the value is also fluctuating. It's either going up or it's going down, but in the meantime there are these fluctuations. I'm now looking at the 5-minute graph, so we can see over the last at 12:30 p.m. we're now at 1:48 p.m. 12:30 p.m. it was at 1,066, and then it went up to 1,095. So even in these short time periods you can take profits. Even the 1-minute graph, you can see a low point of 1,081, then it went up to 1,095. There's a little bit of profit there that you could have taken, but as you zoom in further and further, you need to be better and better at reading the market. So more and more skill is involved, in my opinion, at those shorter time periods. Zoom back out to 6 hours, and you can see from the 1st of January, each one of these represents 6 hours. It has gone up to that point, then it went down, then it went up again. It's probably on the way down, so it could go down to around 963 at the lowest, I would say, in the next few days. But maybe you can see this high point aligns with this high point back there on the what date was that? The 10th of January to the 14th of January. So no doubt we're going to go back up to that level, but where is it going to go down to? That is the question. One strategy that I could recommend is buying a little here, buying a bit more there, buying a bit more there, buying more there, buying lots there if it goes down to that value, because most likely this undulating pattern is going to repeat again. It's going to probably go up to around about 1166, I'd say, before it comes down again. But we can see over time there is this trend that it is going upwards. That is the Ethereum currency. So I hope this helps. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'd love to get your opinions on this as well. And do subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I shall see you again in another video about cryptocurrency trading very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.